What is going on, guys? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Brian here from Sinister, and today we're going to be working on a very special truck. That's right, that's the Black Adam truck. So we're going to work on some custom door panels, custom A-pillars from the guys over at Gately Audio in Sacramento, California. So let's get to it. So moving inside the Black Adam truck, you can see door panels are missing. We took them off a while back, shipped them over to Gately Audio in Sacramento, California. And the team over there, they built some really amazing door panels for this truck. Also some A-pillars. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna demo out the factory speakers, and we're gonna go ahead and run some wiring and stuff like that, get everything ready to go for the new panels. Let me take you over and show you these panels. They're quite awesome. So here is the lower half of the 4 door panels, and they've got the same acrylic finish as the enclosure on the inside for the subs. Here's the A-pillars. Really awesome work from the Gately Audio team. And then sitting right over there on that pallet, we've got the upper portions of the door panels. So we're gonna get to pulling some wire, getting things set up for the build. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get this thing rolling. Okay, looking at this door, getting ready to put the upper section of the door panel and then the pod. But before we can do that, there's a few things we got to do. One, this harness, I kind of already got it somewhat ready to go, but it went up around like that. You have to demo that out and push it in. We're going to have to reroute it on the inside to get it out of the way of the new pod. And we're also going to have to trim this raised section right here for the speaker. All this has to come off to be flat. And then we can go and start installing the panel and the pod. So let's get some of that done. Okay, we have the raised section cut away from the door skin. We have the harness still to reroute. We have ran the speaker wire for the pod right there. That's also going to be routed differently. It's more or less shoved it right there just to keep it out of the way of the cutting operation right here. So now we're going to take this harness and we're going to shove it inside the door, and we're going to reroute it inside. It's a big old hole, but it's necessary to make it sit flat. All right, so that's how it looks when we're done. Got the harness on the inside. It used to come out down there, pops out right here, goes back over the top just like it used to from the factory. Goes down to that little thingamabobber right there, and put this little edge protectant on there to keep it from damaging the harness. Got our speaker wire ready to go. Got one more to run for the LEDs, and then we can start mounting everything. Well, we got delivery today for the Black Adam truck. 2 amplifiers we need for the doors. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what we got from Trinity. Package off of this and we'll take a closer look at it. All right, so I've got the wrapper off. It's a really nice amp. It's the 700 by 4. It's a 4-channel amp. 2 amplifiers, 2 drab, 2 amplifiers, 2 drab, 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 4-gauge power and ground input. So we're gonna run 2 of these on the Black Adam truck. We're gonna run one on the front doors and one on the rear doors and the A-pillars. All right, we got our 2 700.4 Trinity amps mounted. We have our cables made. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies wired up. We have the speaker wires ready to go. We have some yellow and black looming to put on those. And then we can go from there. All right, amps are all wired up. Everything's tie wrapped, ready to go. So now we have to do the front door pods, and then we will be done. Get the smoke test. So here's the driver's side rear door, complete. Still got to take the paper off, but I do that after everything is complete so we don't scratch the acrylic. So we got both the back doors completed. Then we're gonna move on to the front. We got a few things we gotta do on the front yet. We need to button up the wiring harnesses and everything. But once we get that done, we'll be able to get those pods put on. All right, we got the A-pillars installed as well. Still waiting on the handles to get here from Gately Audio. But aside from that, they are wired up and ready to go. Okay, so here's what the finished product looks like on the front doors. It's a little hard to tell because it's daylight, but each speaker will glow purple, and then the panel itself obviously glows yellow. It's a really nice fit and finish. We've got one more to do over there, and then we will be finished with this thing. Then we can smoke test. All right, so we are all finished with the Black Adam truck. All the doors are done. Very, very nice. A-pillars are done. And that's a wrap, folks. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the video on the Black Adam truck. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us put this thing together. Stay tuned, we got some more videos coming up. We got video 2 of our Chevrolet OBS build. And you know, like always guys, you know, like the channel, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one.